You walk into your garden tomorrow morning and discover everything remains pristine. No insect damage, no invasive weeds sprouting, no storm destruction anywhere in sight. Sounds like wishful thinking, doesn't it? Today I'm revealing 15 extraordinary Dollar Tree solutions that can shield your garden from virtually any challenge nature throws your way. The incredible part? You won't invest more than a few dollars per protective measure. Welcome to Daily Garden Fix. If you've been following along, you know this is where we grow smarter, not more expensive. For newcomers, welcome to your new favorite channel, where we transform simple, affordable finds into remarkable garden allies. Before we dive in, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss these money-saving revelations. As we explore today's protection strategies, share your excitement in the comments below. I genuinely treasure hearing which concepts surprise you most. Climate and Weather Protection, Hacks 1 through 5. Hack 1. Shower Cap Climate Chambers. Select transparent shower caps from the travel section. Clear works best. Stretch a shower cap directly over seedling containers after watering. This creates a sealed microclimate that captures warmth and humidity, the two essential elements young plants need while establishing roots. The caps shield seedlings from downpours, harsh winds, and curious pests. During warmer hours, loosen the cap for air circulation. When evening temperatures drop, secure it snugly. For under $1.25, you've created a reusable protection system. Cost $1.25. Hack 2. Clear Bowl Weather Domes. Invert clear bowls over seedlings to create protective domes functioning like mini greenhouses. This creates warm air pockets during cool nights while permitting sunlight. The bowls absorb rainfall impact, deflect strong winds, and block wildlife from nibbling. Create tiny ventilation holes at the peak using a heated nail to prevent condensation. Small bowls protect herbs, medium bowls suit leafy greens, large bowls accommodate young tomatoes or peppers. Cost $1.25 to $2.50. Hack 3. Shower Curtain Rain Shields. Cut plastic shower curtains into manageable panels. Stretch panels across support stakes and secure with clips to create temporary roofing that reduces rain force by 60 to 70%. Torrential rain compacts soil, washes away nutrients, and can uproot seedlings. Angle curtains at 15 to 20 degrees so excess water runs off to pathways or drainage zones. When storms pass, fold and store. Single curtains provide 2 to 3 seasons of protection. Cost $1.25. Hack 4. Aluminum Foil Wind Guards. Create reflective wind barriers using aluminum foil wrapped around stakes or cardboard backing. Position guards on the windward side of tender plants. The foil deflects damaging winds while reflecting additional sunlight onto plants for faster growth. The shiny surface also confuses and deters some flying pests. Staple or tape foil securely to stakes spaced around vulnerable plants. Replace when weathered. Cost $1.25. Hacks 5. Plastic Tablecloth Frost Protection. Keep plastic tablecloths ready for unexpected late spring or early fall frosts. When frost warnings appear, drape tablecloths directly over plants in the evening, securing edges with rocks or soil. The plastic traps ground heat overnight, often providing 3 to 5 degrees of frost protection. Remove in the morning once temperatures rise. The large size covers multiple plants with single tablecloths. Cost $1.25. All right, garden protectors, we've covered weather challenges, but now let's tackle pests and barriers. Drop a comment telling me your biggest garden threat right now: pests, weather, or animals. Your feedback helps create better content for Daily Garden Fix. If you're already planning your Dollar Tree trip, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. We share garden solutions every day. Pest barriers and deterrents, hacks 6 through 10. Hack 6. Silk flower decoy pests. Select bright artificial flowers. Yellows, reds, and oranges work best. Position them throughout garden beds near vegetables. Many pests are drawn to vibrant colors to locate flowers. By establishing decoy displays, you redirect pests toward fake targets instead of real crops. This also creates visual misdirection for deer and rabbits, who investigate synthetic plants first. Silk flowers maintain appearance all season without maintenance. Cost $1.25 to $2.50. Hack 7. Hula hoop crop tunnels. Cut hula hoops in half to create arches. Push endpoints 4 to 6 inches into soil around plant rows, spacing arches 18 to 24 inches apart. Drape garden netting or row cover fabric across arches. This excludes birds, squirrels, rabbits, and cats from accessing foliage. The light-weight system moves easily for maintenance or harvesting. Single tunnels protect entire rows for approximately $5 to $7.50, including hoops and netting. Cost, $1.25 per hoop. Hack 8. Cooling rack seedling shields. Position wire cooling racks flat over freshly seeded areas. This prevents birds from pecking seeds and blocks pests from trampling while permitting 100% sunlight, water, and air circulation. As seedlings grow, they naturally push through rack openings. Leave racks until plants reach 2 to 3 inches tall, then remove and reuse for subsequent plantings. Setup takes 30 seconds. Cost, $1.25. Hack 9. Plastic basket plant protectors. Invert storage baskets with ventilation holes over threatened plants for immediate protection. This excludes rabbits, chickens, squirrels, and pets from accessing foliage. Ventilation holes maintain air circulation and sunlight penetration. Small baskets suit herbs, medium baskets protect peppers, large baskets accommodate tomatoes. Stack for compact storage when not needed. Cost, $1.25 to $2.50. Hack 10. Solar light night deterrents. Position 6 to 10 solar lights throughout garden at irregular spacing. Steady illumination from dusk to dawn confuses and discourages nighttime pests like raccoons and deer. Animals instinctively avoid unexpected light sources. Relocate lights every 3 to 5 days so animals don't recognize static patterns. Motion sensor versions provide even greater effectiveness. Cost, $1.25 each. We're past halfway. Quick check. Which hack surprised you most so far? Drop a number in the comments. And if you know someone struggling with garden pests or weather damage, share this video with them right now. Ready for soil protection and securing systems? Let's finish strong. Soil protection and securing systems. Hacks 11 through 15. Hack 11. Foam pad soil armor. Cut cushioned kneeling pads into rings, squares, or strips. Position pieces around plant bases to block sunlight from soil, reducing weed germination by 80%. The foam retains soil moisture 2 to 3 times longer. The spongy texture deters slugs and snails naturally. Cut X-shaped slits to slide foam snugly around stems. Unlike biodegradable mulch, foam lasts multiple seasons. Collect, rinse, and store for reuse. Cost, $1.25. Hack 12. Binder clip securing system. Use binder clips to secure protective coverings, plastic sheeting, row cover, or netting. Clips snap onto stakes, fence rails, or container rams to lock covers in place. The spring mechanism maintains holds even in 25 to 30 mile/hour winds. Position clips every 12 to 18 inches for light materials, 6 to 8 inches for heavy materials. Clips last for decades and store compactly. This prevents protection failures that waste other efforts. Cost, $1.25.
Hack 13. Mirror tiles bird deterrent. Mount small mirror tiles on stakes or fence near crops. The reflection and movement confuses birds, deterring them from landing and feeding. Position mirrors to catch morning and evening sun for maximum flash. The mirrors also reflect additional light onto plants for growth benefits. Clean monthly with glass cleaner for best reflection. Multiple mirrors create unpredictable light patterns throughout garden. Cost, $1.25 for tile pack. Hack 14. Spray bottle pest defense. Fill spray bottles with solutions for different pest problems. Mix dish soap and water, 1 to 2 tablespoons per quart for aphids and spider mites. Create garlic or hot pepper spray for larger pests. Use bottles for foliar feeding too. Label each bottle clearly. The fine mist covers plants evenly. Different bottles for different solutions prevents cross-contamination. Reusable bottles last multiple seasons. Cost, $1.25 each. Hack 15. Zip ties multi-purpose securing. Keep assorted zip ties for countless garden securing needs. Attach row covers to hoops, secure plants to stakes, fasten netting to frames, or bundle plant stems. The plastic withstands weather and maintains strong holds. Different sizes handle different tasks. Small for delicate attachments, large for heavy-duty securing. Cut and replace as needed. One pack typically provides 50 to 100 ties for entire season of projects. Cost, $1.25. One more round of protection secrets coming up. These final 5 hacks solve problems most gardeners don't even know they have yet. If you're still with me, drop a "protecting my garden" in the comments. Advanced protection solutions, hacks 16 to 20. Hack 16. Mesh laundry bags for ripening fruit. Slip mesh laundry bags over developing fruits, tomatoes, peaches, or grapes. Tie or secure the opening around the stem. The mesh allows air circulation and sunlight while creating barriers against birds, insects, and squirrels. Fruit ripens naturally inside the bag. Harvest at perfect ripeness instead of picking early to beat pests. Rinse bags between uses for multiple seasons. Cost $1.25. Hack 17. Pool noodles for steak padding. Cut pool noodles into 4 to 6 inch sections and slit lengthwise. Slab sections onto the tops of garden stakes, tomato cages, or support poles. This creates padded barriers that prevent eye injuries when bending over in the garden. The bright colors increase visibility of stakes you might otherwise walk into. The foam also prevents plant stems from rubbing against hard metal or wood. Cost $1.25. Hack 18. Clothespins for row markers. Use spring clothespins to mark plant rows and varieties. Clip them onto stakes with plant names written on masking tape or directly on the clothespin with permanent marker. The clips withstand rain better than paper tags. Move them easily as garden layout changes. Use different colored clothespins to indicate planting dates or plant families. Stack unused clothespins compactly for storage. Cost $1.25. Hack 19. Rubber gloves for aphid removal. Wear dollar store rubber gloves and simply run your gloved hands along stems to physically remove aphids, mealybugs, and soft-bodied insects. The glove texture grips insects while protecting your hands. Dip gloved hands in soapy water to kill collected pests. This targeted approach removes pests without spraying entire plants. Keep dedicated pest removal gloves separate from other garden gloves. Cost $1.25. Hack 20. Command hooks for vertical vine support. Attach adhesive command hooks to fence posts, walls, or shed sides. String twine or wire between hooks to create vertical growing supports for climbing plants. The no-drill installation protects structures while providing sturdy support. Rearrange hooks seasonally for different plant configurations. Remove hooks at season end without leaving damage. Multiple hooks create custom trellis systems for beans, peas, or cucumbers. Cost $1.25. Final thoughts. There you have it, 20 Dollar Tree hacks to protect your garden from anything nature throws at you. For under $30 total, you've assembled a complete garden protection system handling weather, pests, physical damage, and nighttime threats. Which strategy resonated most with you? Share in the comments below, and if you've discovered your own Dollar Tree garden solutions, we want to hear them. Our daily Garden Fix community benefits from shared wisdom. New viewers should subscribe and activate notifications so you don't miss our daily money-saving techniques. For loyal viewers, your support means everything and keep this community growing. Remember, effective garden protection is about intelligence, not investment. These simple tools applied correctly beat expensive systems every time. Until next time on Daily Garden Fix, keep your methods simple, keep your spending reasonable, and keep growing amazing protected gardens. Happy growing, everyone.